Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. And for those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Lightroom on PC for free. And if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to install BlueStacks on your device. So you can install BlueStacks by going to your browser and then search for BlueStacks. Okay? And then now just go ahead and download BlueStacks. And once you're here, as you can see, I already search for Lightroom, but just go and go to Google Play Store. Okay, so there. Then now search for Lightroom. Okay, then now click on it. And then now just go ahead and click on the install button. And as you can see, I don't have enough space for this application, but basically just go ahead and click on the install button. And that should start the installation of Lightroom on your computer. Okay, so don't worry because it is free. Okay, so if you follow all of these steps, you should be able to download and install Lightroom on your PC for free. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!